Hi there. Recently we've been having some Noah's Ark type weather here. Been raining constantly for days. But that doesn't deter me. For today's project, I want to make a towel rack. I need something to hang towels on for me to conveniently clean my greasy hands when working and to wipe sweat off my brow in hotter weather. I marked this flat piece which I want to hang vertically, and I want these 3 round pieces to be rotating arms. I need to give my man Jerry Hodges a big shout out for his donation to the channel. I can't even count how many times I've pronounced his name. Thanks. I'm really enjoying using this new hammer which I made a couple of weeks ago. You have to be careful to not tear the piece by going too far with this operation. Also, I wish I made this first one a little bit thicker. That is, the distance between the cuts. I have the idea to make just a rough ball end on the arms. I don't want to spend too much time on this piece, In the future, I need to investigate making a ball end top and bottom swage. Could be very useful and a good video. I repeated the scroll work on the other end, and also the cutting and protruding of 2 more slots. I thickened the final 2 slots more than the first, but in retrospect, I would go even thicker. For the last step, I need to round the inside of the slots more. This should work well for my purpose. And that takes us to early evening. Rainy, of course. Catch you guys next time.